Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Uranus, rules Aquarius, exaltation Scorpio, detriment Leo, fall Taurus, GIF, derivation of letter H for its discoverer, Herschel, in 1781, represents, freedom urge, divine discontent, anatomy, the higher nervous system, body electricity, the ankles, keyword, the awakener, general, rules inventions, originality, science, electricity, magic, the occult, light, astrology, psychology, X-rays, airplanes and insight into nature's laws. It is futuristic, humanitarian, intellectual, eccentric, bohemian, egotistical and utopian. It also governs creative will, sudden change, revolution and dictators, individualism, ingenuity, rebellions and autonomy. Its action is sudden, unexpected and often violent. Uranus is a breaker of traditions. It is neutral and sexless and considered by many to be the upper octave of Mercury and the first of the transcendental planets. Recent research also associates Uranus with natural disasters, particularly earthquakes. Where you find Uranus in the horoscope is where you tend to do the unusual. 4th house, private. It shows your private life, home, endings, property, apparent, foundation, latter part of life. Natural sign is Cancer. Natural ruler is Moon. Keyword is security. 4th house, the house of endings and water. Quality is angular house. General. The 4th house shows that your home and your parents, your family comes from, your roots, and the house you are going to establish. This includes your heritage, genetics and ancestors, psychological origins and your private life. This house shows properties, such as housing or real estate, and all that is secluded. It is the home of the end of life, the end of all problems, the reputation after death and the burial place. It shows that parents have a greater influence over you as a child, your subjective self and the foundation on which you build your personality. Uranus in the 4th house. The planet Uranus in the 4th house of your birth chart shows that you have a busy, unusual and unique home life. As a child, you may have experienced sudden changes in your home environment, or general feelings of insecurity. As an adult, you may seek out unusual homes or continue to feel restless. In some cases, the family is a positive experience throughout childhood, a unique and original environment in which people express their own creative impulses. Either way, maybe as an adult you prefer the open road to the need to settle down and take root. You may choose to live alone because you need a home and home environment that allows you to express your individuality, an environment from which you can come and go without restriction. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.